when you are using your XY X-ray thing, when you are retrieving the information, you are able to detect even the pictures that were deleted. Is that correct?
Ushiloke nokuthi uma ngabe ususebenzisa yona ke noma sothi XRY noma ke X-ray ukuthi uma ususebenzisa yona ke uyakwazi ke nokuthi ke uthole ke izithombe lezi ebese icishiwe. That's correct.
No. So, actually, scientifically, that can't be true. Something which is deleted, and I'm using it as an adjectival noun as used by the advocate. She says you are able to retrieve the pictures that were deleted. You understand the statement?
Uthi ke uadvocate mekhuluma ke ukuthi ke uyakwazi ukuthi uyibuyisele uyithole futhi ke izithombe ezideletiwe.
Ngiyasizwa istatement sakhe njengoba izolo ngichazile masikhuluma ngezithombe njengalesithombe lesi engithi ngasidilitiwe la. It's just a thumbprint ukuthi isithombe it was there. That's already deleted. There's no information on that photo.
That's it.
Yiloko ngikushilo ke nayizolo ke ukuthi ke iyatshengisa nje ukuthi isithombe sasikhona ke lapho.
Yeah, but textually it shows a copy at the least of what was deleted. Not the original. Yeah, I want to be precise in my thinking.
Ngifuna ke ukuthi ngisho lokho ke okushiwa ukuthi ke kuyicopy ke akusona ke isithombe lesi ebekuyisona ke kodwa icopy yaloko ebekade.
Because if this case goes somewhere else, someone else will say
I am not fighting with you. Please don't be emotional. I'm not fighting with you. I'm just clarifying the evidence what we have said. That's why I said correct me if I am wrong.
Ngisane ke nawe so cela ke ingakho ke ngishilo kwena ukuthi uma kuwukuthi ke ngenza iphutha ke ube uyise uyalungisa ke manje angilwisani noma angixabani nawe ukuthi nje ngifuna nje ukuthi ke kube ngicacele. I am also responding to a question that I'm being asked.
Okay. So let's reduce emotions. I understood you to say even the deleted pictures through your machine you are able to retrieve. You have now clarified the manner in which you are able to retrieve that you can only be able to retrieve a copy of that picture.
Bekuyindlela ke mina bengikuzwe ngayo ke ukuthi ke uma ke isithombe sesicishiwe ke noma sideletiwe ke nakho ke ukuthi usibuyisele kodwa manje